Hi there artisans, welcome back to this channel. This is Rochelle Rosenberg. I want to share with you new techniques and new ideas, so come and hang around with me.
On point. Now is my time to shine.
So our topic for today is about colors and the techniques that is included in it. And today we're gonna have limited palette, and that is to use the basic colors so that you will not be confused whenever you run out of colors, right? I know that it's frustrating whenever you buy a whole package of painting set and then you got probably 12 colors in it, and one of them ran out and you don't know what to do next. So I'm gonna share with you just the quick techniques that I have learned through the years and through the time in painting. So this is the primary red, blue, yellow, black, and white. So this is all what you really need to start with, because learning the colors and learning how to blend them will give you much more experience through time, and it will give you a lot of savings as well in your pocket. So now we're gonna drop in this yellow. So we're just gonna put these warm colors first, probably, or light. I put the light one first. We're gonna put the white over here. That's quite a lot. And we have the blue. So this is almost gonna be finished, but I want to save a lot of money, so I don't want to waste even a drop of it. Let's see. Oh, that was too much. All right, that's fine. Now I'm gonna use the palette, or this over here. Okay. Like so. And we're gonna need black, like here. Right, we're not gonna need so much of that, and this as well. Oh, that one was dry. Okay, I think we're ready to go. So now we have our colors here, and what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna show you now that we will also need an old rug or this kind of cloth, because I usually dry my brushes in between. Whenever I wash them from the water, I usually dry them fast. Okay, so I'm gonna share also this thing. So now this is the basic things that I usually use in my color blending or in my painting. I have a pencil for sketching, and these are one of my favorites. I have the flat brush. This is the flat brush, and I have the angled brush. I have this number 2 and the number 8. Okay, so these are good for detailing. Now I think we're gonna go and mix some colors. So first and foremost, I'm gonna wet them. So I do that. I don't know why, but I do it anyway. Don't leave your brushes very long. So I just want to wet them so that they are ready. Okay, so that's how I do it. Now it's soft and ready. So I'm gonna give you some color shadings on how you're gonna mix colors. Okay, so first we have here the yellow, wash it again, wipe. We're gonna have here the blue. Okay, we're gonna have here the red, the white, can't see that much, and we have the black here. Okay, first we're gonna mix some of the colors so you will understand how to provide yourself a color whenever you run out of something. First we're gonna grab blue. Okay, this is blue, and we're gonna grab some yellow. So what happens is, if you mix that, it becomes green. Okay, I don't know if you see it on the camera right now, but if probably I'm gonna show it clearer. There, you gotta go. So now I'm mixing it so it becomes very dark green. Okay, now by grading it with a little bit more of yellow, so it becomes a little bit lighter. Okay, so we'll get more yellow. Now you see that it becomes lighter. I dipped it in water and washed away a lot of blue from the brush, so now it becomes a little bit more lighter green. And to make it like a highlight of green and a little bit of white, probably there, we're gonna grab it over here so you see. So that's the color green. Now we're gonna go to the yellow. We're gonna grab some yellow, and then we'll grab a little bit of red over here. Okay, so, and we're gonna mix it so it becomes orange. All right, so this is very typical if you would like to create sunset colors. Okay, you probably like to have a background of sunset, or you probably want to have a color of petals in this kind of colors, then that's how you're gonna do it. So the more you use a little bit of white in it, the more the color blends and it becomes lighter. Okay, there you go. So that's the shading of the color. Now what if we mix the blue? Okay, a little bit of blue there, and then we're gonna use a little bit. Oh, that's why I'm saying. Okay, now we'll put blue there, and we're gonna mix a little bit of red in it. Okay, just a little bit of red. Let's see. So what happens there is that you got a little bit of dark colors. Okay, so if you want to achieve not so much black but just light of gray, all right, you're gonna create this kind of colors. All right, but what if we put a little bit of yellow only? So that creates as well a tone of perfect gray. Okay, at least for me. All right, so we'll put a little bit of yellow again, and a little bit of red. So now we create a little bit of perfect gray, right? So that's the gray it creates. Now what if we're gonna upgrade it with a lighter gray? So I'm gonna grab some white. So this is perfect in shading. Or for example, if you create a black color or a circle and you want to create shadow, all right, so that's how you go.
shadows overnight, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play for intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.